Welcome back to CarCare 101, your home for the world's most iconic cars and futuristic concepts. Today, we're talking about a true American legend reborn, the Cadillac Series 62 2026. A masterpiece that blends classic heritage with next-generation innovation. The new Series 62 isn't just a car, it's a rolling tribute to Cadillac's golden era, now reimagined for 2026. From its bold chrome accents to its sleek electric silhouette, this beauty is where vintage soul meets electric power. Under the hood lies a twin-motor electric system producing an astonishing 750 horsepower, allowing the Series 62 to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. The advanced Ultium battery platform gives it a 500-mile range, ensuring performance without compromise. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure American luxury, handcrafted leather, ambient lighting, and a panoramic smart roof that adjusts tint automatically. The dashboard is a piece of art, featuring a curved OLED display, AI-powered infotainment, and a holographic driver assist system. Cadillac has kept the classic long-tail design alive but refined it with aerodynamic edges, LED crystal tail lights, and the unmistakable Cadillac crest shining proudly. It's elegance, performance, and nostalgia, all in one breathtaking package. The Cadillac Series 62 2026 is not just a comeback, it's a revolution. A perfect balance of retro design and modern electric luxury that makes you feel like royalty on every drive. If you love this legendary revival, like, share, and subscribe to CarCare 101, where classic icons meet the future.